chasing shadows in the dark. Golden hours, they slip, they glide. Catch them gently, let them collide. With your laughter, with your tears. Golden hours, erase the years. The world turns slow but never still. Clocks don't care for what we feel. But here we stand, our feet on ground. Happiness, it's where we're found. Echoes of time, they fold, they bend. Every beginning finds its end. But all the beauty of the climb, every second, yours and mine. Golden hours, they slip, they glide. Catch them gently, let them collide. With your laughter, with your tears. Golden hours, erase the years. Ocean whispers drift so slow. Palms sway where soft winds glow. Sky paints gold on water skin. Feel the world breathe deep within.
Rain falls like a lover's sigh. Clouds dance as they pass by.
Oh, the earth hums low. Let it show through the rhythm of life. Let it flow. Happiness grows where the wild things know. Feel the beat of the world. Let it glow.
Mountains wear their crowns of green. Rivers carve the tales unseen. Sand holds secrets in its grains. Every sound a song remains.
Stars wink at the sea.
So wide,
Moonlight pulls the waves aside. Hear the heart of the earth collide.
with yours, with yours.
Oh, the earth hums low. Let it show through the rhythm of life. Let it flow.
Life's a clock with hands that sway, ticking forward, never stays. The clouds they whisper, then they play, fading echoes of the day. Chasing light, chasing time. Every step feels so divine. Happiness in the quiet spin. It's the way the waves begin. Not a rush, not a race, just the sun, just your face. Moments slip like grains of sand through the gaps of an open hand. Laughter hums a fleeting band. Music plays